A warm good morning to my dear students of class 9. Today we will proceed Newland's law of octave. Actually, this John Newland was a scientist. He was a great lover of music. He arranged all the elements according to their increasing atomic mass. What he found? First of all, we would like to see in Hindi we say sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So this is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So what is this? Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So sa comes at the eighth. Suppose if we start from this re. So we are starting from here, from re. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth one once again comes re. So if we start from anywhere, the eighth one will come the same. On this sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, all the songs, bhajans are made in India. Likewise, in the Western music system, there are do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. If we start from anywhere, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 comes the same. So, this Newland arranged the elements according to their increasing atomic mass, and what he found, that every eighth element had the property very much similar to the property of the first one. For example, if we start from here, from lithium, mind it and keep in your mind we are starting from lithium. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It comes sodium. Now start from sodium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It comes potassium. So this lithium, sodium, potassium, they all have the same and similar properties. They all, for example, what similar property? They all get dissolved in water and form strong alkali. So he found that every eighth element had properties similar to the properties of the first element, just as the eighth note of musical octave. Notes, these are called notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, or sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. They are called notes. Indian music, Indian notes. It is Western music, Western notes. So based on this observation, Newland gave this law of octave for the classification of elements. Here is the definition, you should know it. Okay, what is Newland's law of octave? So according to Newland law of octave, when elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, the property of every eighth element, starting from anywhere, so starting from any element are the repetition of the properties from the first element. I think there should be no confusion now. See, Newland divided the elements in horizontal rows of 7 elements as shown in the above. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in 7 horizontal rows. When he prepared this periodic table, by that time rare gases or inert gases were not in existence. Now, what were the merits? This system worked for a quite long time, my dear students. Once again, I would like to draw your kind attention. 1 century or 2 centuries before, we were having very less amount of idea about the elements. So while this periodic table was prepared by Newland, by that time we were knowing very few elements. We didn't had the idea of many and many elements. So this system worked for a quite long time for lighter elements. What I use the word lighter elements, and if I say heavier elements, then what is the difference between lighter elements and heavier elements? Normally, we used to say the element having atomic number 20 means calcium. So 1 to 20, atomic number having 1 to 20, they are normally called soft elements, and the elements after the atomic number 21, they are said to be heavy elements. So it worked quite for a long time for the lighter elements. Now it relates the properties of elements in their atomic masses. It relates the properties of elements. If we arrange in increasing order of their atomic masses, it comes the another element which have the similar properties, It relates the properties. For the first time it was shown that there is a distinct periodicity. Periodicity means repetition of similar properties. Periodicity, it means what? Repetition of the same thing. What will be repetition here? What same thing will be repeated? Properties will be repeated. So for the first time it was shown that there is a clear repetition of the properties, of the elements after certain interval of time, means after every 8th element there will be a repetition of similar type of properties. Now this was a great achievement for those era. Now Newland was honored in 1887. This Royal Society presented a debut medal to Newland in 18. This is no problem. You can see it now. A few minutes before I had told you what is lighter elements and what is heavier elements. This classification was quite applicable for the lighter elements but did not work for the heavier elements, those elements which are lying beyond calcium, means those elements whose atomic number is more than 20. As more and more elements were discovered, they could not be fitted into Newland's octave. What I told you, my dear friends, it was not so that there were no rare gases in that time while Newland was preparing this periodic table. They were there, but we were not knowing. So after the discovery of heavier elements, inert gases, this concept was not acceptable. Now, if you can see, Newland adjusted two elements, cobalt and nickel, in same group, same place, same slot. They were placed in same column of fluorine, chlorine. See, Babu. Here is this is gas, chlorine is gas, bromine. They are non-metals. First of all, they are non-metals, but cobalt and nickel both are metals. So these two metals were kept in the same columns with the non-metals, which was not acceptable. Another one, if you can see, what are magnetic substance? So cobalt, iron and nickel, they are the magnetic substance. They get attracted towards the magnet. If you can see, cobalt and nickel, here is your iron. So iron is in another slot, this one is in other slot. Though this iron, cobalt and nickel, all these three have the same property for the attraction towards the magnet, yet they are kept in two places. This was also a demerit. So first one is what Newland adjusted same elements, two elements, cobalt and nickel, in the same slot, and they were placed in the same column in which fluorine, chlorine, bromine were placed. Then iron, which have the similar property, resembles means have the almost similar properties. Iron, which have the similar property with cobalt and nickel, they were placed separately. We had seen iron is here, cobalt and nickel is here. Though these three have some similar property, but they were given different places. So this was your Newland's law of octave. Next class we will be busy with Mendeleev periodic table. Wish you all the best. Goodbye.